Hi everyone, this is Business Hunters. If you've been finding it difficult to set up a free Google keyword planner that you can use to do your keyword research, you are at the right place this morning. I want to quickly show you how you can set up a free Google Keyword Planners account that you can use basically for your keyword research. Most times when you're trying to set up this account, if you do not know how to go about it, you end up being taken to advertisement platform. They will ask you to research a keyword and also to also to advertise right away. Then they will also ask for your payment details and all of that. I tried it severally myself, and that's where it took me to. I got stuck at the end of the day because I was not really trying to advertise on Google at that time. What I wanted was to get a keyword so that I could use it to do my research, but it was so difficult for me. But I stumbled upon this website. This is a wonderful website from jetjess.com. We give them credit for this video that we are doing on their platform. It's a wonderful website. So I stumbled upon it and I was able to get a direction. And at the end of the day, I was able to set up a free Google Keyword Planner tool for my keyword research. And I also, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use other alternatives, professional alternative to do your research, keyword research. I will show you all that in this video. I will also show you how you can use YouTube itself to do your keyword research. I will also talk about that. So let me show you how this guy is able to lay it out for us to understand how you can easily set up your free keywords planner tool. This is the title of his blog, How to Use Google Ads to Do SEO Keyword Research for Free. So just follow me carefully. Let me show you step by step how this guy set it up. I am not going to bore you with all these writings. If you want to be reading this thing, this video is not going to end. And I just want to give you a brief video that you can capture information easily. So let me take you to the screenshot. Let's come to this place. Sign up for Google Ads for free. You will need a Gmail account. I know that everybody knows that. I know that. Step 1, head to https ads.google.com home. I know that. And click get started. You will be taken to a stage that asks, what's your domain advertising goal? This is a guided setup feature provided by Google Ads. Since you will not actually be running a pay per click campaign, you can click switch to expert mode. That is where the issue is. When I was trying to set up my own, I did not even see that link where I could switch. Let me show you the link. It is very tiny on the bottom here. And at that time, I didn't see it. What I did, I just went directly to click next. And it took me to advertisement, asking me to put all my details, my advertisement goals, and my payment details and all that. So when you get to this point, do not touch anything, do not go to next. Just click on switch to expert mode. That's the second step. Then the third step that you need to take, the next stage asks about which type of goal will make the campaign successful for you. Skip ahead by choosing create an account without the campaign. Okay, let me show you the screenshot. When you get to this point, come here and click here. Do not click anything. Do not click next. Just come here and click create an account without a campaign. This is what this one is saying here. Then the fourth step that you need to take, which is finally, you will need to confirm your country, time zone, and currency for billing purposes. You will not be required to put in any billing information. Once you hit submit, you will have officially set up your Google Ads account. Now you can start your do it yourself keyword research efforts. Can you see that? Use the keywords planner to find keywords for SEO. Find keywords based on your website. In your Google Ads account, click tools, blah blah blah. Everybody knows how to search for keywords. So what you need here now, this is where you need to come down here. You need to come down here. Then you can, this is where you can start searching your keywords. At this point here, when you click create an account without a campaign, when you click here, you have successfully created an account that you can use without running campaign. But if you want to run Google Ads campaign, you can still run it on that account. That's the importance of it. So let me show you my account that I've been able to create. This is my account. It's trying to load here. If you look at this account here, this is my account. So as it is now, I can come here and search whatever keyword I want to search now. Let me say I want to search keyword planner keyword planner 2. I don't need to insert, for me, I don't bother myself to insert any domain here because I'm doing this recharge for my YouTube channel. So I click it here. Have you seen it? It has given me the desired result that I need. So that's how I was able to set up my free Google Keyword Planner 2. I was able to successfully set it up. It is the guide of this guy. This blog is very, very helpful to me. And I feel that you can also use it to do your research whenever you want to create a YouTube video and you need a keyword for your video. You can use this website to do that. So now I want to show you the alternative to this Google Keyword Planner 2. As you can see here, this particular tool here, it is a professional tool. This application here is a professional one. It is a paid version and you can also use it for free. Look at it now. If you look at this, I searched keyword 2 here and it gave me this result. The cons of this one is that you are not going to see the competition, you are not going to see the cost, you are not going to see the trend, you can see that it's all blank. But despite the fact that it is blank, you can still use it. When you search for a keyword and it brings out these suggestions here, these suggestions that you're seeing here are the same suggestions that people are typing in on YouTube to look for this particular keyword. So he has given you the idea. You can now select the ones that you want to use. You can select any one that you feel like you want to use it. Then you come here. When you copy to clipboard, you have successfully copied the ones that you have selected. It gives you a clue that this particular keyword has been searched on YouTube or Google search. So you can have a clear picture of what you need to do. So it is a tool that you can also use. But if you have the money and you want to buy, you can sign up and you pay for it and you start using it fully so that you can see the search volume, the trend, the cost per click, and the competitions. You get the full details. But for me, with this, I have been using it to rank. I've used this particular tool to rank some of my videos, which I'm going to show you later. That is it for this alternative keyword planner tool. Then I want to take you to YouTube now to quickly show you how you can also use Google, YouTube rather, to get your keywords ideas. A lot of people are aware of this, or in case you don't know how to use it, you can still learn from it. And after that, I'm going to show you how I've been able to rank some of my videos using this tool that I'm showing you. I am not an SEO person, but it's just some little information that I know that I am putting together to help myself on my YouTube channel. So as it is now, any keyword that you want to type in now, let me say I want to type in insurance. As you can see now, I have not spelled insurance fully. You can see that there is a suggestion here: insurance company, insurance sales techniques, insurance claim, insurance ads, insurance scammer, insurance broker, insurance fraud caught on camera. These are things that people are searching on YouTube in regards to this particular keyword. That is why it is showing you here. That is why you are seeing it like this. It is giving you the clue that, okay, people are searching for this particular keyword. These are the words. Insurance in Nigeria. These are all what people are searching. So as it is now, if I want to create a video on this topic, I can now take my pen and write all of these pre-formatted, what is it called, keywords. I can write them down and create a video on it and use it for my tags and my title. That's what I can do with this one. And that is these little things I've been doing to help myself on my YouTube channel. So this application is very, very important. If you're doing videos and you want to rank your videos, these are the things that you need to do. And it's very, very important you rank your videos. You don't need to create videos that people are not searching for. Though YouTube might decide to recommend your videos to people to watch, people that are watching those type of videos. But it is good for you to rank your videos so that you can be getting organic traffic to your YouTube channel. In that, it will help you to get a lot of views naturally. So let me quickly show you one of my videos that I've used this keyword planner tool to help myself with, how it is ranking. Okay, this particular keyword that I just typed in now, if you look at it here, this guy have used it over and over again. 3 weeks ago he used it and he has gotten 2,800 views naturally. This is natural. Most of the people that have watched this video, his videos, are people that are searching for this keyword. There may not be people that are subscribed to his channel. So that's it. If you look at this, this is the same guy ranking all his videos here. So when I did my research about that keyword and I created a video and used the little techniques that I know, at the end of the day, when I uploaded my video, within 3 hours, this video ranked number 7. And in a week later, this is 1 week ago, this video I uploaded this video last week, Wednesday. So you can see that this video has outranked most of these guys' videos except this number one. So it is this little research that I did that I've been able to rank this video, and I've been using it with my other videos. So it is very good for you to utilize this keyword too. This one, the Google Keyword Planner itself, and the alternative keyword planner. This is a professional one. At the end of this video, I'm going to put the link below. When you click on the link below, you can access this one, this website, keyword tool, and you can also access this guy's website to learn how you can set up your free Google keyword tool. So I'll put the link below. This is what I put together in this video. Thank you very much for watching our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also be part of our YouTube community. Click on the notification bell so that you can get notification whenever we upload our subsequent videos. We want you to be part of our community, YouTube community channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click on the subscription button and also click on the bell icon. Thank you very much. We appreciate your time.